Hey there, this video right here is just part of the complete comparison. So should you ever feel like watching the whole thing, it's waiting for you in the top right hand corner. Just wanted to let you know. Now, the majority of super wide-angle lenses, including primes and super wide-angle zooms like the ones we're talking about right now, have problems with chromatic aberration, or color fringing as it is also commonly referred to. It usually occurs when there's a bright background, like for example the clouds in the sky, and a somewhat dark object in front of them, like for example those trees. Fortunately enough, with the EM50, chromatic aberration can be dealt with internally, because the lens profiles of both the 11-22 and the 10-18 are stored inside the camera, so it automatically corrects color fringing. Also, as soon as you take center stage and the camera focuses on your face, even with a super wide angle at its wide end, you're getting a little bit of background blur or bokeh. And whatever chromatic aberration is left will be taken care of, because it'll just vanish inside the background blur. So this is what you're getting from the 11-22 at its 11mm wide end, and that's the kind of chromatic aberration that is left in such a scenario. Now let's check out what happens as soon as I leave the frame. Now, chromatic aberration increased a little bit, but for video work both these lenses are definitely usable. Same shot with the 10-18 at its 10mm wide end, and as it relates to chromatic aberration, practically the same results. Whatever is left of chromatic aberration disappears in the background blur as soon as I'm in front of the camera. Check out the results up here, and as soon as I leave the frame, a little bit more of chromatic aberration will come in, but like with the 11-22, not a lot. So, if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.